the temperature for me. T. Explain your answer. Okay. Yes. Start. Your name. Just go. Bye.
My name is
Louder.
My name is General Science. This is Wesley Grammar School, Internet Study. Problem of the day.
Read it.
Explain 3 factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis. Plant A is placed in a room by the window, and plant B is placed on the open field. Assuming all other factors remain constant, into bracket same amount of carbon dioxide and water, which plant will have the high rate of photosynthesis? Why? Explain your answer. Question 3. The higher the rate, the higher the temperature, the greater the rate of photosynthesis. Is this statement always true? Give reasons to support your answer.
Okay.
I'm the Master of General Science.
Continue. Start.
For the solutions, we have
Louder.
temperature, can I read? The rate of photosynthesis in green plants can be enhanced through temperature. Think photosynthesis is an enzyme control reaction. Increase in temperature will therefore speed up the process of photosynthesis. This temperature may be of about 30 degrees and above, but may be of about 30 degrees and above, but at an extreme temperature of about 40 degrees, photosynthesis will fall because the temperature will destroy the enzymes and this will slow down the rate of photosynthesis. The second factor is carbon dioxide concentration. Carbon dioxide is one of the requirements for plants to photosynthesize. When the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is very high, it enables plants to absorb the adequate carbon dioxide to aid the plant in photosynthesis. A third factor is light intensity. The rate of photosynthesis is increased with increasing light intensity. The quality of light, that is the wavelength that are absorbed, also determines the rate of the wavelength that are absorbed also determine the rate at which the process will go. But at very high light intensities, this tends to bleach the chlorophyll in the leaves, causing the leaf not to be able to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. We move to the solution for the second question. That is question 2. Question 2 states that A is placed in a room by the window and B is placed on the open field. Assuming all other factors remain constant, into bracket same amount of carbon dioxide and water, which plant will have the high rate of photosynthesis? Why? Explain your answer. B will have a high rate of photosynthesis. B will have a high rate of photosynthesis. This is because temperature in the room may not be high as it is in the open field, and since temperature is needed to speed up the enzymes for the process of photosynthesis to continue, A will not receive adequate sunlight to help. Hence, B will have much more sunlight, which will flourish the process. A with a much higher temperature and much light intensity will photosynthesize more since it has the most adequate conditions. If neither carbon dioxide, light nor any factor is limiting, the rate of carbon dioxide increases with rise in temperature up to a point which varies with one kind of plant to another. Then we move to the solution for the third question. Question 3 states, the higher the rate of temperature, the greater the rate of photosynthesis. Is this statement always true? Give reasons to support your answer. This statement is not always true, even though temperature speeds up the rate of photosynthesis. At very extreme temperatures of about 40 degrees, the enzymes are denatured or destroyed, rendering the plant incapable of carrying out the photosynthetic process. High temperature may also increase light intensity, which may cause the chlorophyll in the leaf to be bleached and unable to attract the necessary substance for the process. High temperature also increases transpiration in plants, and if enough water is not available for absorption by the plant, it causes the plant to wither, and this decreases their rate of photosynthesis. At low temperatures, the rate of photosynthesis is slowed, and above 40 degrees, the process stops altogether because the enzymes are denatured or destroyed. Further increase in temperature results in rapid decline in the rate of photosynthesis due to harmful effects of higher temperature on the protoplasm and enzymes. At light saturated stage, however, the rate of photosynthesis can be raised by increasing temperature. Thank you. This is Wesley Grammar School Internet Study Needs Problem of the Day, presented by Namias and Right of Science. Thank you.
Thank you.